pred seboj imamo težko 2013 leto in 2014 leto. Ampak menimo, da je ta številka, ki je bila danes kot zgornja meja dana v sklep 500 milijonov, tista, ki lahko zagotovi, da pokrijemo izgube iz preteklosti.
Vsekakor bo z danes sprejeto dokapitalizacijo prišlo do izpolnitve pogojev za iztisnitev ali za izstop manjšinskih delničarjev. Pod kakšnimi pogoji, glede na nedoločeno emisijo, število delnic in vrednost delnic z današnjim sklepom, pa v kakšni meri trenutno ne moremo soditi ali povedati.
Na tem mestu seveda ob izvolitvi novega nadzornega sveta bi se rad iskreno zahvalil prejšnjemu nadzornemu svetu, ki je svoje delo opravljal dejansko zelo korektno in strokovno. Po svoje mi je žal, da ne bojo nadaljevali z nami. Kljub temu pa seveda si kot predsednik uprave oziroma uprave ne moreš zbirati nadzornikov, imaš spoštovanje do lastnika in do njegovih odločitev.
In terms of the process for election for this board, there was total lack of transparency. This morning we were told what the alternative candidates were. When we're fighting for good governance and openness, I would have hoped that there'd been some changes in Slovenia. I wanted the break in Slovenia. That process is not the break we'd passed at all. Transparency is important. It's important that the small shareholders know up front what kind of boards that they can vote for and make their decisions, as well as the government. I am surprised and slightly saddened to see that a CV like Stefan Wilke, who's one of the strongest restructuring CVs in Europe, has been disregarded. He turned around the bad bank in the UK. He made a profit out of the bad bank in the UK. And I'm surprised to see that that wasn't good enough. For myself, we've turned around a bank in East Iceland. We've taken it out of bankruptcy. That as well is a strong CV. But again, we totally respect their decision.
Če se nekateri ljudje, mednarodni strokovnjaki, s takimi izkušnjami, s takimi življenjepisi, kot jih imajo, da se jih skuša izločiti na način, najprej z diskreditacijo v naročenih člankih, potem pa to, kar se dogaja, popolnoma brez osnove, potem mislim, da nažalost Slovenija ni na dobri poti.
Unfortunately, it seems that in Slovenia you cannot be independent. Thank you.